everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop, Crystal Lake, Illinois, bringing you a beautiful 2015 K1600GT that is for sale. Beautiful bike, super low miles. This thing only has like 16,000 miles on it, 16.6 I think. I'll show that odometer in just a moment, but you can see it's in the black and it has the dark gray wheels. The tires are in very good shape. They are Angel GTs. They're the Pirelli Angel GTs. It does have a few minor scuffs here. I don't know if these can be buffed out or not. They're probably showing up in the video. It does have a few little, minor scuffs and scrapes. A little bit of a scratch right here on the headlight. That I don't believe will buff out, but it's not doesn't affect anything whatsoever. But I'll put this up a little higher on the lift so we can have a very good look at the condition of it. The paint is in very good shape, certainly shiny. It does have bags. The bags are not on here obviously right now. They are at another shop right now, but trust me, it will come with bags. This bike came to me with not having run for a few years, and I did all the services on it. It changed the oil, all the fluids, everything. The brake fluids, has been flushed. The everything works on it. It's just a great bike with super low miles. And you can see by the date on that, 2020 was the last time it was really out and moving around. It does run. It's got a brand new battery in it. It has the oil's been changed, of course. There's not much to do on these bikes when they have such low miles. I did change the air filter on it, so it has a brand new one of those in it. And what else? Just trying to think of something else that I did to this thing that would be of real significance. It basically is just ready to ride. There's nothing about this bike that's not just ready to go. But I'll turn the key on here. I'll even start it up for you. You can see it runs just fine. 16,659 miles sitting right here in my shop. It's got the stereo in it. All the typical stuff that you would see on a GT. If you've been shopping for a GT or GTL or any other K1600, you're very familiar already with what these bikes come standard. But start it up. It's not ready for any major service yet, so there was no reason to go through that. Just topped off the antifreeze in it. This bike's ready to go. So if you're interested in this bike, please contact me. It is a deal. Again, you guys that have gone out and looked at these, you know that they are they're priced up there. They're not giving them away unless there's something radically wrong with them, and it's priced very fair. And if you want to try negotiating with the price, by all means. Oh, it has brand new brakes in the front. I did replace the brakes. They were marginal. I would say they weren't fully worn out at all. I have one of them right here. You can see the original lines on there, and this one was in really good condition. You can see there's not bad, but I think the other side of that one was getting, that one right there was getting kind of low. So I went ahead and replaced all the brakes in the front. The rears are in fine shape. There's nothing wrong at all with the rears. And the tires certainly have life left in them. They are not down to the wear indicators at all. They're actually pretty good miles on them still. So if you wanted to fly into Chicago and ride this thing back home to wherever it is you live, you certainly will make it there on these tires without any problem whatsoever. So contact me, kirksmotorrad.com, and we'll talk about it. Thanks for watching, guys.